Hello folks, Jason Cressman here of JC's Bees. Today I want to discuss not bees, not beekeeping, kind of related to beekeeping. I guess kind of could be related to about anything you do. I stumbled upon a product, Super Clean, and you know, I've been using it for the last month and a half, I guess, maybe 2 months. I've tried it on a little bit of everything. The product has really amazed me. It takes a lot of the work out of cleaning up something. For instance, as beekeepers, we get propolis or bee glue on our clothing, on our hive tools, on our clothes. It can be a nightmare to get out, and a lot of the times it just becomes a beekeeping stain. Super Clean seems to be able to cut propolis out with no problems at all. You spray it on, a couple minutes later it dissolves, turns into a liquid, and wipes right off. And I'm going to do a demonstration of that here in a few minutes. But I also wanted to discuss some of the other great things about Super Clean, and you know, come to you guys and give you a chance to give it a try. I'm going to give you $1 off for a limited time, well, until October 31st. Go on Amazon. There's a link down in the video description. Take you right to where you need to go. I'm going to give you a chance to buy the Super Clean aerosol can, 17 ounces. It's $7.99, and the promotional code 1JCB will get you $1 off. You're not limited to one can. You can use this promotional code and order as many cans as you want, clear up till October 31st. I think once you try the first can, you'll definitely want more, because you know, like I said, it's not just limited to beekeeping. For instance, a couple weeks ago, I had my daughter clean our shower, the surrounding shower wall. In the past, she didn't have very good experiences at it. She had to climb in there with a brush and scrub, which, you know, we're all familiar with that. And she was in there for quite some time. As a matter of fact, the fumes started to get to her, so we pulled her out of it and ended up just washing it down the drain and calling it good enough. Well, I asked her a few weeks ago to go in there and give it a shot with Super Clean. I was kind of excited, so I went in there with her and we sprayed it on the surrounding shower wall, and we waited about 2 minutes. This is a foam, which is really nice because it's thick. It kind of sticks there and slowly worked its way down the shower wall. And you know, we went in there with a rag about a minute and a half to 3 minutes later, somewhere in that ballpark, and we literally just wiped the grime in the shower right off. It was so clean, it looked brand new. That's never been my experience cleaning a shower. You always needed a brush. Not with Super Clean. And I think I'm going to show you that when I clean the propolis off my beekeeping veil. You know, this isn't limited to, you know, vehicle parts or grills, your cooking grill. You can use this on about anything, and it's biodegradable. So what more could you ask for? So now I'd like to show you my demonstration, and I'd like you to check out how effortlessly it is on my part to get this stuff clean using Super Clean. Okay, I've unzipped the veil part from the elastic, I guess you could call it a shirt, and we're now going to spray some Super Clean right on the face of this. And let's just see what it does. What I did is let it sit on there for a second. I'm going to dip it in this bucket of water and give it a good wringing out. And we'll see what it does. Sounds like the fizz coming off of it reminds me of 7-Up or Sprite. So now let's stick it in the water and let's see what happens. There's the water. Here's the veil. You know, this isn't something beekeepers do too often, wash their clothing. It's kind of a known saying in the beekeeper community that the people that wear the new beekeeping clothing are the new beekeepers. So for that reason, the old beekeepers are like, I ain't washing my stuff. I'm a veteran and I gotta wear it proudly. But look, pretty amazing for you know, just spraying it on there and dropping it in a bucket of water. I didn't really even let it sit on there a full minute. It's clean. Water looks disgusting. So what'd you think? I mean, if you're a beekeeper, you know what propolis is. I mean, it's equivalent to tar. And it comes right off with this stuff. Pretty amazing. I know myself, this will be in my toolbox, not just for beekeeping, but for anything, because it's very handy, saves me a lot of time, and time is valuable. So do yourself a favor, go down in the video description, go to the link, get you a can, add it to your shopping cart. Hey, it's also a Prime item, so if you're an Amazon Prime member, in 2 days you'll have your can. If you're fortunate and live in the city, you may get it quicker, but I'm out here in the country and it takes 2 days. So give it a try, put it in your shopping cart. When you get to your shopping cart and go to checkout, there's a box there for a promotional code. Enter 1JCB, you'll get $1 off. You'll get it for $6.99, and like I said, it's not limited to 1 can, so you've got until October 31st to use this up, people. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it works just as well for you as it did for me, and I'd love for you to come back to the video and leave some comments on the different things you've used it on. Tell me how well it worked for you. I'd love to hear that. So thanks for watching, folks. I hope you find Super Clean just as handy to have around the house as I do.